Here's a recipe for a delicious 7-Up cake creations. Customize ingredients to your taste. Ingredients. For the cake, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 3 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter softened, 1 cup pup soda, 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon lemon extract, zest of 1 lemon and ½ teaspoon salt. For the glaze, 1½ cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup 7-Up soda, zest of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a Bundt pan or use baking spray with flour to coat the pan evenly. Mix dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, and salt. Mix well to ensure even distribution of ingredients. Add wet ingredients. Add the softened butter, 7-Up soda, eggs, lemon extract, and lemon zest to the dry ingredients. Mix thoroughly. Using an electric mixer on medium speed, beat the mixture until smooth and well combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula to ensure everything is incorporated. Pour batter into pan. Pour the batter into the prepared Bundt pan, spreading it out evenly. Bake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 60 to 70 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. Prepare the glaze. While the cake is cooling, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, 7-Up soda, lemon zest, and lemon juice until smooth. Glaze the cake. Once the cake has cooled completely, place it on a serving plate or platter. Drizzle the glaze evenly over the top of the cake, allowing it to drip down the sides. Serve. Slice the cake and serve it either slightly warm or at room temperature. Enjoy your delicious 7-Up cake. This cake is moist, tender, and bursting with lemon-lime flavor from the 7-Up soda. It's perfect for any occasion, from family gatherings to potlucks. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow.